How to fix Microsoft 365 sign-in loop problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Microsoft 365 sign-in loop problem, where Outlook, Word, Excel, or other Office apps keep asking you to sign in again and again even after you enter the correct password. This issue is usually caused by old credentials, corrupted sign in data, or sync problems between Windows and your Microsoft account. And the good news is that it can be fixed within a few simple steps. So, first, you can start by closing all of your Microsoft 365 apps and then go to the Start menu, search for Credential Manager, open it up, and then you need to go to Windows Credentials. So now, if there are any Windows credentials, start by removing them. Clearing those old credentials forces Windows to request fresh login information and usually stops the sign-in loop from happening. You just need to tap the drop down and you'll be able to see the remove option. You can just hit remove. And that's it. After that, your sign in should finally work normally. That's it for today's tutorial on fixing the Microsoft 365 sign-in loop problem. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.